Alright, man, I got a surprise for y'all. I'm about to pull up at this late night car meet. Well, I guess you can't even really call it late night because the sun is still out, but I'm about to pull up over there. I got a couple of friends over there, see what they getting into. You know, just a slight little car meet. So I don't really anticipate being here too long. You know, I love car meets, but at the same time, I always want to I want to ride. So if I'm going to a car meet, I'm not going to stay around for forever because chances are I want to do more riding than standing around looking at the local cars, which are always cool. But I'm trying to put some miles on the Beamer, man. I'm trying to put some miles on the Beamer per usual. So when I got this bike, it had like 1100, excuse me, no, correction, 11,000 on it when I bought it. I got it shipped from California, and the guy's name that had it before, I forgot, but he used to do like a lot of videos on YouTube with this bike, on this bike. He had a 2017 and then he sold it and he bought the 2023, and he said, man, I don't like the 23 compared to the Gen 3 model. So then he went and he bought the 2016, which was this exact bike, and he tracked it. So 11k miles, you know, mostly track miles. And then since I've owned it, I've put 22,000 miles on this bike. So, you know, everybody that says BMW isn't reliable, they lied to you. At least the motorcycle is. The cars, I can't really speak for the cars because actually one of the guys that's at this car meet, he owns a 335i, and that shit is always in the shop. So I don't want to jinx myself, but maybe I don't know where the meet is. Maybe I need to, oh, it's over there. Okay, he says Southside Plaza, and this is Southside Plaza. Well, I guess all of this is Southside Plaza, but it used to be a City Trends over here that my mom used to take me to when I was a kid, and they tore that down. It used to be a club right here too, torn down. Damn, that bump is crazy. That bump was actually wild as shit. Almost lost everything. Now, what the hell are these kids doing at the U-Haul place? Y'all don't have nothing else better to do. Yep, I won't be here too long, that's for sure. Look, bro. ZX10, I like it. To say the least, the turnout looks pretty wild. Not a homie around here somewhere. Just gotta find out where. How am I gonna find a homie? Well, no, I'm good right here. What's up, bro? This by far has got to be the wildest car meet that I've been to in Richmond. The absolute wildest one. By far the wildest car meet in Richmond. Let's give them something to look at.
Stupid, bro.
Hey, mother. Hey, you over there? That was the craziest car meet that there has been in Richmond, Virginia ever, bro. Ever. It don't get no crazier than that. I don't care what nobody says. It don't get no crazier than that. Burnouts, backfires, turbo noise, blow off valves, everything you could ask for in a car meet. You know, nowadays everybody's like, oh, be respectful, no revving. Oh no, that was not one of those. That was not one of those. Everything was warranted. The most lit car meet, man. I love it. I love my city. Let's do it for the content, you know. Now, let's have a nice chill ride. I'm pretty sure I out-rev my motor tonight. So let's have a nice chill ride to the crib. Nighttime riding. I'm gonna need fuel pretty soon too. Yeah, man, it was a success. But I will say, that meet is bound to get shut down. If not tonight, I don't know when, but it's bound to get shut down. The amount of hooliganism that was taking place there, nothing like the last meet I went to that you can see on my page. I'll tag the video so you can watch that. But this was a completely different beast when it comes to car meets. They're never like that. Absolutely insane, man. Absolutely insane, man. Let's go. It kind of it almost gave me like a little Texas feel. I just cannot get over how many people were at that car meet. I cannot get over that. I can't get over how lit and how chaotic and how crazy it was, man. It's like I said before, we don't have car meets like that in Richmond. What was going on there? We don't have car meets like that in Richmond, bro. Like, every 99% of the time, there is always at least 2 or 3 police officers at the car meet. There were 0 cops there tonight. 0 police officers. And I don't even know, I don't understand how that's the case, because it was so wild. The burnouts, you could see the smoke 2 miles away from the burnouts that they were doing in the parking lot. Just reckless driving in the parking lot. It was absolutely insane, man. I loved it. I loved it, dude. I would definitely be attending the next one for sure, for sure. I wonder how many people I wonder how many people actually saw my ad on my helmet. Somebody gotta follow me, right? Somebody has to follow me. There's no way you don't. Probably the most lit S1000 in Richmond. You gotta follow the boy Chavo Papi. By the way, if you watch my videos, like, comment, and subscribe. It would help me out a lot. I would appreciate it. Thank you for everyone that has continuously watched the small content that I have started to make. I appreciate all my viewers. And just keep it up, man. Subscribe, and then share to somebody else and tell them to subscribe. I'm gonna start doing like giveaways and stuff like that too eventually when I get my bag right. Taxpayers' dollars still have not gotten these roads right. How is that even possible? Riding through here is the absolute worst. It's like walking through a minefield. It feels good out here, man. It's chilly, but it's a little chilly. Maybe a hoodie and an undershirt, you'll be alright. But it's the first night ride that, you know, I've really had, other than the car meet that I went to. But we didn't really ride, you know, we just rode to the car meet and then went home. So it wasn't really a night ride. Tonight, I actually rode a little bit on my way to the meet, and, you know, I took the long way back home, so. I need to do a review on these headlights that I got. The Matt Gecko headlights on the BMW. Like, look at the high beams. It is so much better than the factory headlights. Oh man, I can't express it enough. Like, look at how much, like, and they point so far ahead. Look at that. So much better. Low beams, high beams. yeah, man, I'm just about home at this point. So I just want to let everybody know that was crazy, and I will definitely be doing it again. Whenever the next meet is there, I will be there again for sure. But y'all take it easy, man. Peace.